cops.
Oh, by the cops? They let you park there?
I park right there, and then if you guys want, you guys can just squeeze in like how I did.
I'm videoing it. Oh, every time I shut the video off, they start shooting some good ones.
Best way is to have the screen and focus on the screen. That way it focuses on the I'm about to show Christina if you guys want.
That was a good one.
If you guys want to come join us, we're about everybody else.
Yep.
Sitting down.
Okay.
You'll literally see us right there.
Over there.
I'll be in a minute. Yep.
I wrote a note on my window. My number.
What?
I wrote a note on my window with my number.
Okay.
Wow.